actually.
Elizabeth from earlier, she was not on the stage. Very good from the side. Now you can come back to the ladies in just a bit. Now it's time for the much anticipated coaches class. Some of the finest folks in the world. These matches coming up will be intense.
We're on the point apart.
You don't want to miss this. Today's event is sponsored by Free Restrooms. At any time, you're welcome to use these restrooms. They are free. Unless you're Harold Pete Hanley. He told me he just knows where he's at, which is now gross. Arm wrestling is a little more classy than that.